Local man has invented a product that could help you get more miles out of your next tank of gas, and it doesn't come in a bottle. News Channel 3 senior reporter John Palmentary is live with more on this story. John?
And this invention is not something that comes in a bottle or a can and goes into the gas tank of your car like most gas additives you'd buy at the auto parts store. It's a piece of plastic shaped like a teardrop. Looks just like this, called a gas pod. And when you put them in an array of them on the back of your cars like this, 9 of the most efficient, they attach just like that. It changes the airflow in your car, and the inventor says it'll give you more mileage per gallon.
We actually had just purchased 12 new Kias for our sales team, so you're going to see them driving around town, and they got these cool little bumps on the back of them now, and they're not there to be cute, they're there for a reason.
It's a way to get more miles to the gallon, and the solution fits in the palm of your hand.
And we were really surprised that we actually did save money. 2 miles per gallon, that's almost a free gallon of gas every time you fill up the tank.
They're called gas pods. They stick to the back of your vehicle and redirect the airflow. That reduces the drag, and your car goes farther on a gallon of gas. Inventor Bob Evans asked the Berryman Produce team to try them on the new fleet of Kia SUVs.
So any car that's a boxy shape like this at Kia is a gold mine for saving fuel with something as simple as these little pods.
Testing shows mileage improves from 2 to 17% depending on the vehicle.
People see our trucks all over town, so anytime that we can promote something like that and save money doing it, absolutely, it's a win-win for everybody.
The pods are also on the back of delivery vehicles used by Ablett's cleaners. For most cars, you need 9 to make a mileage difference.
We looked at the numbers, we did the math, and it was right there in black and white. Now, since then, I know that one of my salesmen told me this morning that he absolutely has noticed a difference. He's not filling up as often.
And this is a chance for individuals to do it themselves and not wait for the auto industry to catch up.
And most cars need from 9 to up to possibly 30 of these, depending if it's a big service vehicle or a truck. But an average vehicle just needs about 9, they say, before you start seeing some performance differences on your vehicle and better mileage. And the cost runs from $30 to $60, depending on how many you need. And some are magnetic, and some are simply just they adhere to your car with an adhesive. In Santa Barbara, John Palmentary, News Channel 3.
All right, fascinating. Thank you, John.